Nagkaroon ng recent draw again. This is the first express entry draw of the month, last May 11. So, nagkaroon ng express entry draw for PNP or Provincial Nominee Program. And the lowest score, the CRS score of the lowest ranked candidate that was invited was 798.
Ilan yung invite?
At number of invitations that has been sent out or issued is 380.
So, kung
Medyo
papapansin niyo po, konti lang yon compared sa mga CEC na maabot ng 4,000 at saka yung sa French category na
Ayun,
ganun din,
yeah.
maabot din ng mga 4,000 yon.
Oo.
So, itong sa PNP, 390?
380.
80. Baga yun na konti compared
Correct.
dun sa
French.
Sa French. Tsaka
4,000 last April
Canadian Experience
29.
Class. Yeah.
Medyo tumaas ulit ng konti yung score sa Express Entry PNP by 3 points. Yung last draw nila last April 27, 795.
Hindi naman masyado nagmamatter yon kasi yung 600 nun
Yeah.
is yung sa nomination itself.
Correct.
So, ibig sabihin, kung yung base points nyo is around 200, pwede na. Okay na kayo. So, 200, napakababa na nun kung tutusin.
Oo.